So everyone, we set out to cover all of these windows at the top of our showroom to make it look so much better. And we have done that. So today is the day that our competition for our posters has finally come to a close. And without a doubt, we have a winner, and that is number 45. And that is the one over there. Now, I have confirmed with management for everyone that has entered per entry have already received their 200 Rand credits on the buythis.co.za store. Now, without further ado, we're going to call today's winner and let them know that they've won their prize.
Hello?
Hi, Tabang, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself?
Good, thank you. Tabang, I would like to let you know that you are the winner of the poster competition for the cash prize. How do you feel learning about that?
Wow, I'm very excited. Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Oh, that's awesome to hear. That's awesome to hear. Well, if you hadn't have entered in the first place, then you wouldn't have won. So good on you for trying.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we're going to call you a little bit late to sort out the prize, but thank you very much for entering and well done for winning.
Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. And there you go, guys. There's our winner for our poster printing competition. And I urge you on our next competition that you should really enter and participate so that you could possibly be the next winner.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.